Words to use instead of very in English. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. She was wearing a gorgeous red dress. She was wearing a gorgeous red dress. Very angry. Furious. I was furious when he crashed my car. I was furious when he crashed my car. Very big. Massive. The tree had a massive trunk. The tree had a massive trunk. Very poor. Destitute. The destitute woman slept on a park bench. The destitute woman slept on a park bench. Very noisy. Deafening. The sound of thunder was deafening. The sound of thunder was deafening. Very clean. Spotless. The restaurant's kitchen was spotless. The restaurant's kitchen was spotless. Very cheap. Stingy. The stingy customer always left a minimal tip. The stingy customer always left a minimal tip. Very difficult. Arduous. The marathon was an arduous race. The marathon was an arduous race. Very short. Brief. He gave me a brief outline of what had happened. He gave me a brief outline of what had happened. Very quick. Rapid. The waterfall had a rapid flow. The waterfall had a rapid flow. Very dry. Arid. The arid climate made it difficult to grow crops. The arid climate made it difficult to grow crops. Very smart. Intelligent. Elephants are very intelligent animals. Elephants are very intelligent animals. Very bad. Awful. The taste of burnt food is awful. The taste of burnt food is awful. Very upset. Distraught. The man was distraught when he lost his wedding ring. The man was distraught when he lost his wedding ring. Very sad. Sorrowful. The loss of their pet was crushingly sorrowful. The loss of their pet was crushingly sorrowful. Very strong. Forceful. The buffalo crashed through with a forceful charge. The buffalo crashed through with a forceful charge. Very cold. Freezing. The temperature in the car is below freezing. The temperature in the car is below freezing. Very calm. Serene. The scene in the forest was serene. The scene in the forest was serene. Very huge. Colossal. The colossal sword was too heavy to lift. The colossal sword was too heavy to lift. Very small. Petite. The petite dog easily fit into the small bag. The petite dog easily fit into the small bag. Very ugly. Hideous. The hideous taste of the expired milk made me sick. The hideous taste of the expired milk made me sick. Very quiet. Hushed. The secret was whispered in hushed tones. The secret was whispered in hushed tones. Very funny. Hilarious. The plot of the comedy show was hilarious. The plot of the comedy show was hilarious. Very expensive. Costly. The expensive perfume was a costly gift. The expensive perfume was a costly gift. Very rich. Wealthy. The wealthy couple traveled the world. The wealthy couple traveled the world. Very tall. Towering. The river was narrow under the towering cliffs. The river was narrow under the towering cliffs. Very dirty. Filthy. The filthy car hadn't been washed in months. The filthy car hadn't been washed in months. Very wet. Soaked. I lost my umbrella and got soaked in the rain. I lost my umbrella and got soaked in the rain. Very easy. Effortless. The puzzle was so effortless, it was trivial. The puzzle was so effortless, it was trivial. Very slow. Sluggish. The heavy meal made him feel languid and sluggish. The heavy meal made him feel languid and sluggish. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.